Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Parasitology Group 1. We'll explaining about Paracaryopilaeus and Charyopilaeus sp.
Classification of Caryophyllaeus sp. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Class Monogenea. Ordo Caryophyllidea. Family Caryophyllidea. Genus Caryophyllaeus. Species Caryophyllaeus sp.
Fast difference 1.6 until 2.6 mm long, which is not covered by vitelline follicle and testes. Its length reports 11 until 19% of the length of testicular fat. External seminal vesicle absent. Pre-ovarian vitelline follicle medullary reach almost anterior margin of ovary. Anteriormost follicle located long distance 1.8 until 3.0 mm from the anterior extremity. Post-ovarian vitelline follicle always present. Ovary follicular and hair-shaped, its lobes connected by ventrally situated its most. Tubular vaginalis ventrally to the ovary and together with uterus form a common uterovaginal duct terminated by an anterovagina pore on the body surface. Morphology: body elongate and slender from 19 to 26 mm in length with maximum width of 0.8 to 1.0 mm at the level of xerosac, narrowing toward posterior and surface uniformly covered with acicular filatrices, scallate, avosate, flabellate to spatulate, 1.3 until 1.5 mm long and 1.5 until 2.4 mm wide, much wider than neck. Anterior margin with weak warts or grooves. Anteriormost testes located far from anterior extremity 4.1 until 6.4 mm and far posterior 2.2 until 3.4 mm. To anteriormost vitelline follicle, posteriorly testes reach middle part of xerosac, leg of testicular fat 12.1 until 17.1 mm. Xerosac spherical to slightly oval of spiroform. 568 until 779, multiple 429 until 768 in size, thin walled with well-developed internal seminal vesicle. Weight of xerosac represent 49 until 85% of maximum body weight.
Part of the body: A. Outline of the entire worm. B. Anterior part of the worm. C. Posterior at the worm. C.S. Kirusak. A.B. Extory Balder. A.E.G. Intrauterine egg. E.S.V. Internal seminal vesicle. M.E.T. Most anterior testis. M.A.V.F. Most anterior philan follicle. M.G. Melis gland. M.G.P. male gonopore. O.V. ovary. P.V.F. posterior felline follicle. T.E. testis. U.G. internal glands. U.T. uterus. U.V.P. enterovaginal pore. V.A. vagina. V.D. vas deferens. V.F. Vitellin follicle.
The life cycle of Caryopileaneus. The species has an indirect life cycle involving one intermediate host, a tubified oligocyte. The adult parasite occurs in the gut of the definitive feast host attached to the intestinal wall by a large collex and has a lifespan of up to 2 months as an adult, the final host. Eggs are laid by the mature parasite in the fish gut and pass to the external aquatic habitat with the feces of the host. These eggs, when ingested by various species of tubified oligocytes, undergo further development, including the formation of the genital organs in the body cavity of the intermediate host. The larval parasite become infected to fish after a period of 4 months and can remain infective in the intermediate host for periods greater than 1 year. The cycle is completed by ingestion of the infected oligocyte by the fish host, the larval parasite developing to maturity in the fish gut.
Host and predilection. Host: cyprinid fishes of the subfamilies Leuciscinae such as freshwater bream, Abramis brahma, Balerus balerus, white A-bream, Balerus sapa, white bream, Plica bioercna, Fimba bream, Fimba, Orange rutilus rutilus, common kidneys, Chondrostomanasus, and Cyprinae, such as Crucian carp, Carassius, common carp, Cyprinus carpio. Predilection: location of infection in intestine.
Classification of Caryopileus sp. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Class Monogenea. Ordo Caryopilaidea. Family Caryopileidae. Genus Caryopileus. Species Caryopileus sp.
Morphology of Paracaryopileus sp. Anterior body and slightly widened with rounded side, smooth. Posterior body and rounded with elongated excretory vesicle, opening by terminal excretory pore. Testes rounded, positioned in medullary parenchyma by 2 longitudinal rows, reaching the level of frontal slit of Bursaciurus. External seminal vesicle absent. Vas deferens distinctly narrows before the entrance in Bursaciurus and widens again inside its proximal part, forming thin-walled internal seminal vesicle. Vitellin follicles, considerably numerous, rounded or oval-shaped, positioned in medullary parenchyma, reach the level of anterior side of ovary alley in lateral fold at ovary area are absent. Vagina tubular, strongly convolutes in proximal part, distal part widened, seminal receptacle person. Uterus uvular, few slopes lie in the space between
anterior portions of ovary alley and continues anteriorly, reaching anterior set of bursa serous uterus and vagina open in elongated uterovaginal canal, X. numereus.
Part of the body species Paracaryopilaeus sp. B. Anterior body. BC. Bursa serous. U. Uterus. V. Vagina. UVD. Uterovagina duct. And host of the species Paracaryopilaeus sp. is Lepidocephali sp.